Hi, I'm Kamini Patel and welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. Today's recipe is going to be the skinny chocolate dip.
For the skinny chocolate dip, I take about 200 grams of Greek yogurt, and to this I swirl in melted dark chocolate, about 50 grams.
So to this I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey, which adds a bit of natural sweetening, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and to make it slightly up the ante, I'm going to add a sprinkle of cinnamon and a pinch of sea salt. It's so simple. This dip can be made for anything that needs to be dipped. It could be fresh fruits, crackers, marshmallows, chocolate biscuits, and that's all there is to it. So now it's time to plate it. Just scoop it into your bowl. And I like to serve it with my fruit popsicles. Berries, oranges, banana, pineapple, apples, and pears go really well as well. And for the final girly touch, some colored sprinkles and another smattering of sea salt. So here you have it, the ideal party dip platter for your girls' night out. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to the channel for more Britannia Dessert Carnival recipes.